Hey y'all, I'm changing out the battery in the smooth Q. I use these guitar picks to open it up. There's this screw from the bottom I took out. It's holding that guy, so be sure to take out the screw. There's a battery control unit right here. Just take off those wires, put the wires back on this control unit, pop off these guys with the screwdriver, and also the same thing with these guys. Just remember how it goes. See, negative goes to negative on that side, and positive on this side goes to the positive wire there. And these two just go on the opposite end. One's positive, one is negative. So that's how it goes. Just be sure that the battery management system is connected. So, yep, that's all. Thanks. Bye.